My name is Gobbell. I'm a Sports Medicine Orthopedic Surgeon at Tennessee Orthopedic Clinics. I see patients at TOC Park West and TOC Lenor City. When I'm asked why I chose sports medicine, I think it's important to think about my background. I played team sports growing up, and just being able to continue to be a part of the team to get the athlete back on the field and to optimize their own performance is a really rewarding career. One thing I love about practicing sports medicine is it's a very versatile field. Whereas my specialty is knee and shoulder, in sports medicine we take care of pretty much all the joints and the extremities. We are specially trained in arthroscopy, meaning using small incisions and minimally invasive surgery. What that means is that even if your injury was sustained doing other things, we can still use those techniques that we use on our athletes and apply them to people who are not necessarily athletes. The nice thing about using technology in arthroplasty is it's very precise. So we know that human error induces a little bit of differences patient to patient. Using the robot to assist with the surgery takes away some of that human error. Knoxville's home to me. I left for 11 years and I'm really happy to be back and serving the community of the people that helped me grow up and get to this point, and coming back and serving them and helping with medical needs.